Hi friends, and welcome to the last day of introductions for Mama Elephant's June 2025 release. Today we are introducing Mummified and its coordinating creative cuts. Now let's take a look at the adorable images included in this set. We have 4 mummies, 1 mummy kitty, 2 graves, a spooky house, and some bats. And one of my favorite things must be the toilet paper roll. I'm coloring these mummies using warm greys, and for the face I'm using the E50 series. You can find all the Copic color numbers I use for coloring this set in the description below. And some white gel pen accents to finish my image. For my card today, I'm using a standard sized white card base and I'm covering it with a piece of patterned paper with some wood paneling. I'm placing the large panel from the Mod Heart set over top. But first I'm doing some ink blending. I wanted my background to look a little bit like the mummy wrapping. Therefore I'm using some masking tape and some Pumice stone distress ink to ink up every piece of the bandages. I try to keep the blending light in the upper left corner because this is where I want to add the sentiment. Next, I'm ink blending a graveyard at the bottom of the stencil with this cute stencil I have from Heffy Doodle. It's called Sleepy Hollow. I'm using some Walnut Stain Distress Oxide ink and some Distress ink in black Soot. I really love how this panel turned out. I stamped the sentiment in the corner and I'm adding my panel using some foam tape. Then we can finish decorating the scene. For this I'm using a combination of foam tape and liquid adhesive. And with the addition of this super cute kitty, I'm calling this card done. I do love how this card turned out. And of course, I hope you like my video as well. With this introduction video, we conclude our series of introductions for this month. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. And I will see you in September for our big release. This release is available from June 15th. Bye!